This is a wonderful world we live in. We manufacture food in DNA labs. Everyone can change their appearance at the push of a button. Wars are fought in virtual reality land. And everyone has romance and friends. Pollution, famine, and depression has all been eliminated. But this world would have never happened without Trixie. In this episode of Nova we hear an interesting theory about the universe. Time-space. Inverse theory. Opposites. Light reflected. Water as spirit. The universe slows down like spaghetti. Einstein's theories proven wrong. And much more. This is a wonderful world we live in. We manufacture food in DNA labs. Everyone can change their appearance at the push of a button. Wars are fought in virtual reality land. And everyone has romance and friends. Pollution, famine, and depression has all been eliminated. But this world would have never happened without Trixie. Trixie was born in a small town, to a family of Gentiles. Gentiles are not Jews. Trixie, as a young child, dreamt of being a magician. But, being a young genius, she was always bullied by her peers. Bullied, abused, and ignored, Trixie was friendless, jobless, and alone. She had no pleasures in life, except for one. The only thing that kept her alive was her determination. Her determination to find all the secrets of the universe. A determination to find the secrets of all secrets, an all-encompassing theory of everything. Light is a form of sound. It is the opposite of sound. Sound cannot travel through space. Light cannot travel through matter, but it can only travel through space. This is because space is not really space. It is simply stationary light energy. Just as matter is simply stationary sound energy. Frequencies and patterns are as gods. A single oscillating frequency can create animated form. A single crystal shape can create form from light. Space is like water. Galaxies are a swirling vortex. In the middle is the light. But the light spins outward towards lesser light. While the matter moves inward, propelled by space pushing it towards areas with less space. Gravity is not a pull, but a push. Space, which is stationary light energy. Today we look back at a legacy. The legacy of greatness which brought us to where we stand today. Without Trixie, the world would not have the science we have today. Trixie's legacy lives on. Though her life was misery, and she died alone, friendless, and without recognition. We shall recognize her spirit today. All hail the great and wise Trixie. We thank and praise her holy name. For it is through the power of Trixie we have superior DNA. Trixie has saved humanity. She was the first to recognize their inferior DNA. Though we were once lost, we are now found. Only Trixie could save a miserable wretch like me. This presentation was brought to you by the Trixie Foundation. Space moves to fill the opposite of space. Matter. The moving of space drags the light-receptive components of matter, the electrons, along with it. Tugged along by the electrons, matter is accelerated by space. The electrons do not experience drag of slower space. They are not slowed down by space, only accelerated. Thus, the phenomenon of gravity is observed. Electrons are not electrons. Electrons are the electric component of atoms, the part of them that transfers light energy. When an atom is heated, one of three things happens. It displaces the heat into motion energy, and jiggles. Or it simply displaces the heat, and expels it. Or it simply displaces heat as light energy. An atom can never spontaneously give energy. It simply displaces energy brought onto it. All atoms require a catalyst to displace energy. A battery works by simply adding a catalyst, which slowly depletes the atom's energy over time. This is why batteries only last for a short while. Sound and light create sentience. It is a kind of echo chamber. Feedback loops of sound and light perceiving their opposites. Most people are not sentient. Sentience requires the whole universe. The whole universe is slowed down by means of spaghetti. We create gravity with our minds. Our minds are shaped exactly the same as an inverse of the universe. Why do we not see the inside of our minds? Because we are a universe, looking inside another brain, the universe. If we perceive time backwards, gravity would be backwards. Life would be about chasing dreams, feeling the future. We would not remember our past. The future would be certain, and the past, uncertain. This Nova documentary brought to you by the Trixie Foundation.